Triangle. Triangle, and especially right triangle. Why do I call it a right triangle? Because two of the legs, yeah, they meet at a 90-degree angle, and we call them legs. Legs. Let's call this leg A, this leg B. Doesn't matter. And the one opposite the right angle is the longest side. Let's call it C. But do you know what it is called? What is the longest side of a right triangle called? It's called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the longest side. It's longer than A, and it's longer than B, and it's opposite the right angle. And these sides are related. Do you know how they are related?
Yeah, because they're connected to each other.
No, I mean, if you know the length of A, if like this is 3 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter, do you think we can find C?
Yes.
How much is it?
It's 6.
The relation is this. See, if you square them, that's really interesting. Hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the square of the lengths. What does that mean? It means A squared plus B squared. That means I have 3 squared plus 4 squared. That's equal to C squared. So C squared is 9 plus 16, and that is 25. How do I get rid of 2 to the power of 2? What is the
divided
inverse?
by?
No, it's not. It's to the power of 2. What is the inverse of power? We get root. The inverse of power is second root of 25. And what number times itself is 25? That's 5. So you see, this is called Pythagorean theorem. And usually we remember it like this because we want the shortcut. So C equals to root of A squared plus B squared. Do you get it? Let me give you another example. What if I make another one and I tell you this is 6? My picture is funny. This is longer than that. So this should be 4. This should be 8. Anyway, this is 8. This is 6. What about C? What is the hypotenuse? How do we do it? So C equals to?
64.
Yeah, plus 36. That is 100. 64 plus 36 equals to 100. And what is root of 100?
15. No, it's 24. No, it's...
No.
What number times this?
Times itself is 100.
10.
What? 10, very good. 10. Now, I want to show you a shortcut. If you learn this shortcut, in most of the grade 7, grade 8 questions, you will not need to do this. Do you want the shortcut?
Yes.
It's called Pythagorean.